Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Looking for an easy way to keep your surroundings clean? The best grabber for picking up trash makes litter collection effortless and hygienic. Lightweight, durable, and ergonomic, it lets you grab bottles, cans, and debris without bending or touching waste. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Unger Commercial NT090. The Unger Commercial NT90 is a professional-grade trash picker that delivers unmatched performance for both home and commercial use. Featuring a 360-degree rotating head, it allows users to reach difficult angles and tight spaces effortlessly, making it ideal for picking up litter from sidewalks, gardens, and hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic grip, combined with a smooth trigger pull action, ensures extended use without causing hand fatigue, making it comfortable for prolonged cleaning sessions. Lightweight yet sturdy, the NT90 is constructed for long-term professional use, combining durability with practicality. Its design minimizes the need for bending or stretching, promoting better posture and reducing strain on the back and joints. This makes it particularly valuable for professionals, custodians, or anyone who performs frequent cleanups. Safety and comfort are prioritized, as the tool allows users to efficiently collect litter without compromising their balance or exertion. Additionally, the NT90's robust build and smooth operation make it a reliable companion for everyday cleanup tasks, whether indoors or outdoors. For anyone seeking a dependable, versatile, and ergonomic trash picker, the Unger Commercial NT90 delivers exceptional performance with professional quality features. Number 2. Generic Trash Picking Grabber. The generic trash picking grabber is a versatile and practical solution for anyone looking to simplify cleanup tasks at home, in the garden, or outdoors. This set of 2 handheld reacher grabbers extends your reach, allowing you to access high, low, or hard-to-reach areas without the need for bending or stretching, making it ideal for collecting garbage, leaves, bottles, keys, or any other items around the home or yard. Safety is a key consideration, as the grabber eliminates the need to climb ladders or stools, reducing the risk of falls while retrieving objects. The lightweight design adds to its convenience, allowing users to carry and operate the grabber effortlessly, while the durable materials ensure long-term usability. This tool is perfect for elderly users, individuals with mobility challenges, or anyone who wants a safer and more efficient way to handle everyday cleanup tasks. Beyond its functional aspects, the grabber promotes environmentally responsible behavior by making it easier to collect litter during walks, at parks, or in local neighborhoods. Its compact design allows for easy storage, and having 2 grabbers in one package ensures you can tackle multiple areas simultaneously. Number 3. JYXGLO Elderly Trash Picking Grabber. The JYXGLO Elderly Trash Picking Grabber is thoughtfully designed for seniors and individuals with limited mobility, providing a lightweight, foldable, and easy-to-use solution for picking up trash and other items. Its compact yet sturdy construction makes it highly portable, allowing users to take it anywhere, whether for indoor cleaning, gardening, or outdoor litter collection. The tool's lightweight construction ensures minimal strain on the wrist and hand, which is particularly important for elderly users or those with arthritis or limited strength. Its versatility extends beyond trash collection, as it can also be used to retrieve items from high shelves, under furniture, or in tight corners, making it a practical multi-purpose tool. Comfort is prioritized with an easy-to-hold handle that promotes natural grip and smooth operation, allowing users to maintain control while reaching for objects. Durability is also a key feature, as the grabber is made from high-quality materials designed to withstand regular use without bending or breaking. By enabling users to pick up litter safely and efficiently, the JYXGLO Elderly Trash Picking Grabber reduces the need for bending or excessive movement, which can help prevent injuries and improve daily independence. Number 4. JYXGLO Gripper Trash Picking Grabber. The JYXGLO Gripper Trash Picking Grabber offers a practical, ergonomic, and versatile tool for everyday litter collection and object retrieval. Designed with an anti-slip jaw and comfortable claw grip, this grabber allows users to pick up items safely and efficiently without bending or straining. Its jaws are covered with a protective material, allowing safe lifting of delicate or fragile objects such as glass, phones, or kitchenware, without risk of damage. The tool is foldable, adding convenience for storage and portability, and it proves ideal for use at home, in the garden, or on the go. Beyond standard litter collection, the grabber is highly versatile, capable of picking up books, papers, small electronics, or even round and smooth objects that are difficult to grasp manually. Its lightweight yet sturdy design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for those who want to maintain cleanliness with minimal effort. The JYXGLO Gripper Trash Picking Grabber also promotes safety by reducing the need to bend over or stretch, which can help prevent back strain and other injuries. Additionally, customer support is readily available through Amazon, giving users peace of mind for any inquiries or concerns.
Number 5. JYXGLO Extender Trash Picking Grabber. The JYXGLO Extender Trash Picking Grabber is a portable and foldable solution for efficient litter collection and everyday object retrieval. Designed for versatility, it allows users to reach high, low, or awkward areas without bending, stretching, or straining. Its collapsible design makes it highly convenient for storage, and the lightweight construction ensures easy handling for users of all ages. The grabber is built for durability, featuring strong claws that can securely grip a wide range of objects, including bottles, cans, trash, or even small household items. Ergonomically designed, it provides a comfortable grip and smooth trigger action, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This grabber is particularly suitable for elderly individuals, pregnant women, or anyone with limited mobility, as it promotes safer and more efficient litter collection without compromising balance or posture. Its portability allows it to be carried in a backpack or car, making it perfect for community cleanups, beach outings, or park maintenance. Beyond trash picking, the tool's extended reach and sturdy claws make it practical for retrieving items from hard-to-access areas such as under furniture, shelves, or tight spaces.
Keeping your surroundings clean has never been easier with these top-rated trash-picking grabbers. From professional-grade tools like the Unger NT090 to lightweight foldable options for seniors, each grabber combines ergonomic design, durability, and extended reach. They reduce bending and strain while improving safety and efficiency, making litter collection effortless, convenient, and environmentally responsible for users of all ages and needs.